Have you ever wondered what would happen if cash simply disappeared? No coins, no bills, just numbers on a screen. It sounds futuristic, maybe even convenient. But what if I told you it's already happening faster than we realize? Today we're talking about the silent revolution changing the way we use, save, and control money. Because whether we like it or not, the world is moving toward a cashless future, and that future affects you, your privacy, and even your freedom to choose how you spend. Stay with me until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll see both the good and the bad sides of this transformation, and what it really means for ordinary people like us. Let's start with a simple question. When was the last time you used cash? For most people, it's been weeks, maybe months. We tap our phones, we swipe cards, we buy online. Everything is digital. It didn't happen overnight. First came credit cards, then online banking, then contactless payments and mobile wallets. And now, crypto, digital IDs, and government-backed digital currencies are pushing us towards something bigger, a cashless world. It sounds efficient, right? No lost wallets, no dirty bills, no waiting for change. But every innovation has a cost. Let's talk about what most people don't see. When everything is digital, every transaction you make is tracked. Every cup of coffee, every small purchase, every donation, recorded, analyzed, and stored somewhere. That means convenience comes at the price of privacy. Cash gave us something digital money never can: anonymity. You could buy something without leaving a trace. Now, every click, every tap, builds a digital fingerprint that tells companies and governments exactly who you are and what you do. And here's the part that makes people nervous. When money is completely digital, it can also be controlled. Your access could be limited, your funds could be frozen, or even your spending could be programmed, deciding what you can or cannot buy. Now, this isn't a conspiracy theory, it's already being tested. In some countries, central banks are developing CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. These are digital versions of national money, official, traceable, and programmable. They promise stability and speed. But they also raise big questions about freedom, control, and personal choice. Let's be fair, going cashless does have clear benefits. For governments, it helps reduce crime and tax evasion. For banks, it lowers transaction costs and increases efficiency. And for most consumers, it's simply easier. Think about it. Instant transfers. No need to carry cash. Easier budgeting apps. Faster business transactions. In countries like Sweden, cash is almost gone, and people love the simplicity. So, in many ways, this shift is not just about control, it's also about progress. The question is, how do we balance progress with personal freedom? Here's the real issue most people don't talk about. When your money exists only digitally, you rely on systems you don't control. If a bank system crashes, you can't access your cash. If your account gets flagged, your payments stop. If there's a blackout or cyber attack, your entire financial life can pause. That's the hidden risk of convenience, dependence. We've built a financial world that runs on trust, not just in technology but in the people and institutions managing it. And history has shown that trust can be fragile. So, what does all this mean for you and me? It means the way we save, spend, and protect our money is changing, permanently. We can't stop technology, but we can prepare for it. It means thinking differently about where your money lives, diversifying how you store it, understanding that convenience should never replace control. For example, keep some emergency cash at home. Use digital wallets wisely. Don't rely on one bank or one payment app. And learn about the technologies shaping this change, like blockchain, decentralized finance, and digital privacy tools. Because the more you understand the system, the less it can control you. At the end of the day, this isn't just a story about cash disappearing. It's a story about trust, control, and choice. Technology will keep evolving. But the question is, will we evolve with it consciously? Or will we hand over our freedom for convenience? No one has all the answers, but asking the right questions is the first step. So I'd love to hear from you. Beach Balloon, do you think a world without cash would make life better or more dangerous? Share your thoughts in the comments.